Having trouble logging into your T-Mobile account? You're not alone. There are three main reasons why this happens: password issues, problems with two-factor authentication, 2FA, or an account lock. Password problems could be a forgotten password or one that doesn't meet T-Mobile's complexity standards, 8 or more characters with symbols and numbers. Make sure to use a unique password and consider using a password manager. If you forgot your password, use the recovery options and verify ownership of your account. Two-factor authentication issues can occur with SMS codes or authenticator apps, failing due to network issues, outdated apps, or SMS delays. Remember, codes expire in 30 to 60 seconds. Account locks happen after multiple failed attempts or detected suspicious activity. This protects you but can be triggered by IP changes, VPNs, or bot attacks. Verify your identity to unlock it. T-Mobile's fraud detection and account shield can sometimes cause false positives. For password reset, use the Forgot Password option on the T-Mobile website or app. You'll receive a verification code to your recovery email or phone number. Make sure your contact information is current and accessible, and ensure your new password meets the requirements. For two-factor authentication issues, ensure your authenticator app is synced and updated. Check your internet connection and remove any carrier blocks. If SMS codes aren't arriving, switch to an app-based authenticator like Google Authenticator. If problems continue, contact T-Mobile support to reset your 2FA. If your account is locked, verify your identity through the T-Mobile app or website. Upload identification or answer security questions. Support is available via live chat or video call. Locks often occur due to detected suspicious activity as a security measure. Remember to use strong, unique passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and keep your contact information updated with T-Mobile.